Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS. Today we will start with the second section of your structure design, that is panels and plates. Okay, so first thing what you have to do to insert panels and plates, you go to design, go to structures and change your module to panels and plates. Now, what are the panels? Panels are basically sheets which we put on the structures to place various components. Okay, simple to understand. What is the difference between panels and plates and walls and floors? There is a difference in thickness and material, obviously. So there is a difference in thickness. Panels are having limited thickness, and walls and floors will be made up of concrete, which is having much more larger thickness. Okay, so that is the difference between panels and plates and walls and floors. Then the difference between panels and plates in PDMS, you will not find any difference. Okay, you will always get option of creating a panel, but depending upon selection, you can either have a horizontal structure or vertical structure. The horizontal structure is called panel, the vertical structure is called plates. Okay, yeah, so how to access various things in panels and plates? There is a toolbar which gets activated, panels and plates toolbar. So this is the toolbar which gets activated when you open panels and plates. And then like a structure, you have to do a framework and sub framework depending upon your storage area. So I have already a structure demo. I will create one more framework into it. Sorry, I will first create structure for my panel, say panel demo. Spacebar will not be there, so underscore demo, and in that I will create a framework, that is panel. Okay, and from the toolbar you can have set default panel specification, so you can just click there. There are various specifications available for the panel. So we are going for standard plate specification, and there is thickness which is associated with each specification. So you can check which kind of thickness you want. You can go up to 80 for a standard plate. And if you don't, if you want, you can make thicker panels also. That option is available while creating a panel. But if you're not setting thickness here, you can just go to unset, and that specification will be applied to the current panel. So I am starting with, let us say, 25 thickness panel. Apply, close. That specification will be applied, and then as structures you have two storage areas, that is panel storage area and the linear joint storage area, the points which we create in panel. So you can have different storage areas, or you can have same storage area as panel for both. Everything will be stored in the same storage area. Okay, so this is basically a structure for your panel. You will start with structure. If you already have a structure, you will start with a framework, then sub framework and specifications of your panel. So you will define specifications from the toolbar. You can have storage areas, you can store panel data in those storage areas. Okay, in coming videos we will talk about how to create your first panel and then how to modify that panel for our understanding. Okay, so we'll meet in next video. If you like this content, do share and subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and do check all the playlists which are available on my channel. Thank you for joining.